welcome to my channel. So today I'm going for 10 days trips to Cairns and I'm really excited. I'm going with my 4 other friends. We'll be 5 people and I will keep update for everything. After 3 hours of long flight, we finally reached to our destination. We went to shopping mall, had some food in the food court, did some grocery shopping. And after that we headed towards Daintree, which is one of the oldest rainforest in the world. It took nearly 3 hours driving from Cairns to Daintree. And the view on the way was lovely, it was amazing. We were staying in this beautiful wooden house which was in the middle of the forest. When we reached to our Airbnb, we all were pretty much very tired, so we decided to have rest on that day and planned for our adventure for the next day. This is the end of today's video, so I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye, see ya.